Hello friends, my name is Neeti Shukla. I am from SIRT Institute and we are learning theory of computation. So today's topic is regular expression. In regular expression, I will teach you today Pumping-Lema theorem. What is Pumping-Lema theorem? Let's start. Pumping-Lema theorem. Through Pumping-Lema theorem, we can find out whether the language is regular or not. So Pumping-Lema theorem is used to find the language is regular or not. And which language is regular? If any language is regular, then its finite automata will be drawn. Can be drawn. And if language is not regular, then its finite automata, whether it is DFA, NFA or NFA with epsilon, and its finite automata can't be drawn. We can't be draw its finite automata. Okay, so the language is regular or not, we can find through this Pumping-Lema theorem. Okay, with an example, I can explain this theorem with an example. Let's start. So our example is show that language a to the power n, b to the power n, where n is greater than equal to 1 is not regular. Okay, Pumping-Lema किस लिए? कोई भी language regular नहीं है इसे prove करने के लिए. Okay, now our question is this. First of all, let's make a string. इस string क्या बनेगी? है ना? When n is equal to 1, it becomes a b. When n is equal to 2, it becomes a b b. N is equal to 3, it becomes a b b b. Okay, like that. Clear? Okay, this is its language of this language. ठीक है? अब आप आते हैं हम next step. ठीक है? Let's see. And in Pumping-Lema theorem, है ना, we have to take a string, है ना, of this language. At random, we have to take a single string. Let it be this one. Can be this one also. Okay. We will take this string. Okay. And make this string is equal to z. ठीक है? Z is equal to a b b. At random कोई भी एक string लेंगे हम और उसको z के इक्वल कर देंगे. Z is equal to a b b. हमने ये string ली. We have to apply Pumping-Lema theorem on this string. Okay. Now, what is Pumping-Lema? Let's start. In Pumping-Lema, z is equal to u v w v to the power I, where I is for all I is greater than 0. ठीक है? ये है Pumping-Lema. Z is equal to u v to the power I w I is greater than 0. Okay. Now we have to divide this string into UVW. This string into UVW. Okay. How? U may, for example, we take this as U, this as V, and this as W. You can take this. Okay. है ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Z is equal to A B B to the power I. This becomes UVW. Okay, b to the power I. ये ऐसा हो जाएगा. We have to take at least 2 to 3 cases to prove that this language is not regular. Okay, case 1 is this. This is case 1. Take UVW. Okay, condition क्या है UVW की? At least B में एक सिंबल तो होना चाहिए. At least एक से ज्यादा भी ले सकते हैं, पर at least 1. UV में जरूरी नहीं है कि आप सिंबल्स लें. हम इसको पूरे के पूरे को V ले सकते हैं. Okay, we can take whole AABB as a V and UV becomes nil. This may be possible, but we take different conditions in this, different cases in this example. Okay, now Z becomes AB to the power IB. Now put I is equal to 1. Put I is equal to 1. Z की condition, Z क्या हुआ? ABB. I बन गया. I equal to 2, Z is equal to AB to the power 2. It becomes AB, AB, B. ठीक है, AB to the power 2, it becomes AB and AB. AB twice आएगा, then B. I is equal to 3 लेंगे, तो Z is equal to A, A, B, A, B, A, B, B. Okay, so this language belongs to, this string belongs to language, but this string is not belongs to language. क्यों? यहाँ देखो आप, B के बाद A आ रहा है, देखा आपने, A, A, B, A, B, B, B के बाद A आ रहा है, and C, हमारी लैंग्वेज क्या बोलती है, जितनी बार A आएगा उतनी बार B आएगा, जितनी बार A आएगा उतनी बार B आएगा, और A के बाद B आएगा. ओके, है ना, A फॉलोड बाय B. ठीक है, ये लैंग्वेज है, और यहाँ पे B के बाद A आ रहा है, मतलब दिस स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू L, दिस स्ट्रिंग इज आल्सो नॉट बिलोंग्स टू L. So from case 1 we prove that this language is not regular. This language is not regular. This language is not regular. Similarly, take case 2. Case 2. Z is equal to AABB, where U is double A, B is single B, and W is single B. ठीक है, तो Z becomes A, B to the power I, B. Now, for I equal to 1, Z is equal to A, B. For I equal to 2, Z is equal to A, double B, and this one B. ठीक है, ये B क्या हो जाएगा, 2 बार आएगा. ओके, है ना, और आप देखिए 2 बार A और 3 बार B आ रहा है, means this is not belongs to language, this belongs to language. क्यों? जितनी बार है उतनी बार B, A के बाद B. It's okay, this belongs to language. But जितनी बार है उतनी बार B नहीं आ रहा. There 2 times A and 3 times B. So this string is not belongs to language. So case 2 also proves that this language is not regular. You can take another case also. Okay. So through pumping lemma, we prove that this language is not regular. You can also see when the language is not regular, its finite automata can't be drawn. Okay. So for this language, we can't draw any type of finite automata. Okay. So today's topic is pumping completed, and thank you. Stay tuned with SIRT. Thank you so much.